Hi, I'm Elaine Ewing, and I'm here at my studio, Rhinebeck Pilates, and I have a series of 5 workouts using the 2x4 and the reformer. For these workouts, you'll need a 2x4 and a reformer and something firm to hold on to, whether it's the wall, a Cadillac, a ladder barrel, even a chair with a high back, something that you can put both hands on for balance. This workout will help you to refine your reformer work and to notice imbalances that you may have not been aware of through your feet, all the way up through your legs, through your back, and through your powerhouse. The 2x4 is a great tool so that you can establish the foundation that you need to improve on and advance your work on the reformer. This series of workouts are short. You can do them either before your usual workout or after or on your own. And we'll start with the basic foundational exercises on the 2x4 and basic exercises on the reformer and progress so that by the 5th workout, we're working with more complicated exercises on the reformer and integrating the 2x4 work into them.